Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a skincare product that promises to tackle the visible signs of aging while also nourishing and firming your skin, then you might want to stick around. Today we're talking about a product that has been making waves in the skincare world, Roche-Posay's Pure Vitamin C Cream. Roche-Posay is a brand known for its dermatologist-recommended formulations, and this product is no exception. It comes in a 1.35 jar packed with a potent dose of pure vitamin C. The cream is designed to not only visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but also to restore a firmer, plump feel to the skin. Let's break down how this product measures up after putting it through real-world testing. First off, the texture of the cream is smooth and lightweight, yet it's rich enough to provide deep hydration. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which makes it perfect for both morning and nighttime routines. I tried using it consistently for a few weeks, and what stood out to me the most was the immediate hydration boost. My skin felt softer and more nourished from the first application. As for firming and plumping, the effects are gradual. Over time, I noticed a subtle improvement in the overall texture of my skin. My fine lines around the eyes and forehead seemed less noticeable, and my skin felt firmer to the touch. What's key here is the pure vitamin C. This ingredient is renowned for its antioxidant properties, and it's known for brightening the skin and helping with the appearance of pigmentation. I also appreciate that the formula didn't irritate my sensitive skin, which can often happen with higher concentrations of vitamin C. The cream is fragrance-free, which is another win for those with more delicate skin. Now, as much as I love the hydration and plumping effects, there are a few things worth noting. First, the jar packaging is a bit of a downside. While it looks sleek, it doesn't protect the vitamin C from air or light exposure, which can lead to degradation of the active ingredient over time. Ideally, this kind of product would be in a more airtight or opaque container to preserve its potency. That said, the cream does come with a good shelf life, and as long as you store it properly, it should last a while. In terms of value for money, Roche-Posay's Vitamin C Cream is on the pricier side, but it's a good investment if you're targeting fine lines and want a reliable, non-irritating formula. It's an excellent option for those who want to start incorporating vitamin C into their skincare routine, especially for those with sensitive skin who may find other products too harsh. When comparing it to other vitamin C creams on the market, what sets this one apart is its gentle formulation and the brand's commitment to high-quality ingredients. There are certainly more affordable alternatives, but they may not offer the same level of skin benefits or cater to sensitive skin types as well as Roche-Posay does. So who would benefit the most from this cream? If you're in your 30s or beyond, and you're looking for a skincare solution that helps smooth fine lines, while also giving your skin a youthful glow, this could be a great addition to your routine. It's not a quick fix miracle, but it works gradually to improve the overall appearance and health of your skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for a link to purchase the product. If you've tried this vitamin C cream, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.